Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Bynta Nyngkong gasngi kinong Thep vote haburo kabay kari India ne National Voters Day kabalalong hak arpusan tarik Bynta ubnai kamay Bharat Kendra hak Trilang bat ka SAI Shillong ringkat ka Trilang bat ka office o CEO Meghalaya District Election Office Sports and Youth Affairs kari India an penlong ya ka cycle rally hak live ho tarik Bynta ubnai ka talashai kasngi hakani kasngi rakhe o CEO ka Meghalaya o BDR Tiwari unong ukong san Bat ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khas Hills ke Kong RM Kurba ke nong ke Sembut Kongsan. Habakran Shikilat Utai Kubor Shillong Press Club Uba Babiwa Lang State Youth Officer Director Sports and Youth Affairs Ulit ho bahagni ke singi lakhot songo baharu ikinong Thep vote Nyngkong Kibadan kumba arspa hadulai spa ngut bat anpun ku Burom ru yaki kumju kin sayo iki epic jongki hagni ke singi.
It's the second phase of our program. The first phase was on the 25th of this month, that was a National Voters Day, and this is the second phase. We are having the Padayatra and a cycle rally. Tomorrow, the program will be held in Jain Stadium basketball court, and Sri Dr. Vidya Tiwari, the CEO Meghalaya, will be the chief guest, and the Deputy Commissioner of East Khas Hills, Madam Kurba, will be the guest of honor. And we will be inviting the first-time voters. Most of the first-time voters will be there during this rally, and we will felicitate them also. And then we will distribute the EP card also on the same day. And also after the after the program, we will be having a short Padayatra. As this press conference we have called as directed by the Ministry of Sports and Affairs, and this press conference is happening all over India. So most of the district they have completed yesterday, day before yesterday, and today in Meghalaya we are completing today. The other highlights of this program will be that this program is collaborated with lots of stakeholders, like from the Sports Authority of India will be there, the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, the Office of the CEO Meghalaya, the District Election Officer, and My Bharat Kendra. So tomorrow the program we will be expecting about 200 to 300 first-time voters will be joining us tomorrow in the Polo Grounds program, and after that we will have a short Padayatra, and after that we will be having the oath-taking ceremony. The oath-taking has already been finalized and been circulated by the Government of India, and the same oath which has been sent to us we will administer to the youths will be present there. So these are the short program we will be holding tomorrow, as the main program is already been completed on the 25th of this month on the National Voters Day.
PID teams, today press conference on the observations of National Voters Day Padayatra on 30th in collaboration with Department of Meghalaya Sports and Sports Authority of India, Directorate Sports, and in collaboration with the Chief Election Office Meghalaya. Only thing is this: the National Voters Day observed annually in 25th January in common state. The Foundation's Day of the National Voters Day by the Election Commission of India to promote informed, ethical and participatory electoral engagement among the citizens, particularly youth and first-time voters, in pursuance of the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Jan Bhagidari in Rashtra Nirman and the mandate of youth-led nation building, My Bharat. Under the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Government of India is going to organize the National Voters Day Padayatra Sunday and cycle on 25th January on the Eva Voters Day, but our Meghalaya state is observing on 30th its exemption from our ministry to observe instead of the Sunday to 30th January. That's why I am here on press conference briefing the programs on the Voters Day program. The state and union territory kept along with the district National Voters Day across the country has been held and going on. Objectives of the promote of awareness of the importance of voting, democratic participation among youth and especially first-time voters, encourage voter registrations, corrections and electoral details, and inform the participants in elections. Mobilize my volunteers. As you know, My Bharat Organization, Ministry of Youth Affairs Sports is registered millions of the My Bharat volunteers across Pan India to strengthening institutional collaboration between My Bharat and Election Commission of India, create a nationwide uniform observance of National Voters Day through the participation of civic actions. National Voters Day Padayatra Sunday on Cycle Democracy Walk on 30th January 2026 is on schedule in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo Grounds with the supports of Director of Sports Meghalaya. The key highlights of the program, what will the activities be going on there, our colleagues, my friends, Mr. Bobby Nolan will brief all of the key highlights of the activities.